My name is Barrie Shibley. I'm the president of a company called CoyWolf Technologies out of Calgary and Burnaby. What CoyWolf does is we're active on a number of major projects. We're doing a lot of environmental monitoring, infrastructure inspection, some surveys, things of that nature for a number of companies, particularly focused mining and oil and gas. I'm Indigenous. I'm from Carries-a-Kettle First Nation in Saskatchewan. I grew up here in Calgary and have always worked essentially on the service side of the oil and gas industry for most of my career. And when the drones, when I was speaking with UVAD and the opportunity came along to form CoyWolf, I saw it as meeting a need for Indigenous communities along major project areas to be able to make sure that the environment was being looked after, being able to provide jobs, training, and really bring a number of First Nations in particular into an industry that they hadn't been involved in before, and to be able to bring some transferable skills in some new technology. So it's been really exciting. Oh, we've had projects where we've had 70% of our crew has been Indigenous. So we see that happening. When there were some floods about a year ago now in British Columbia, a number of the First Nations called on us to help them to ensure that some of the traditional sites were intact and to take a look at the impacts. And so, sometimes it goes beyond just the work we're doing for industry, but actually helping out the communities. And that's been really special. We are seeing additional applications all the time from, sort of some wildlife management scenarios. We're looking more into forestry, also making sure that, First Nations, when there are major projects in their traditional territory, that they're being given another opportunity for employment and training and being part of those projects. So it goes a long way to, in a sense, sometimes bridge a little bit of a gap between industry and the First Nation itself. We're pretty excited about what we're doing. We're seem to get busier every day, and I would anyone who's looking for a change of career or a new direction, yeah, this is a very exciting industry to be involved in, and I only just see it growing. It just seems to be taking off in a number of new areas.